There are 5 persons in the family OPQRS. They are working as a farmer, teacher, lawyer, engineer, and doctor. P is an unmarried daughter of O and working as a teacher. S is the brother of Q and working as a lawyer. O is the father of an unmarried daughter and 2 sons working as a farmer. P is one of the brother is a doctor. So who is the doctor here in the family? Okay. So it's like a puzzle kind of question they have given here to solve for, and that too blood relation question with respect to professions. Okay. So let's try solving the question. There are 5 persons in the family. Who are the 5 persons? O, P, Q, R, and S. Fine. So what are the professions? Farmer, teacher, lawyer, engineer, and doctor. Okay. From the next point onwards, they have given the relation. P is an unmarried daughter of O. Okay. P is an unmarried daughter. Okay. Daughter means you have to put her inside the circle. Unmarried daughter of O. Okay. So O is the parent of P. Gender is male or female. I don't know till here. Okay. Next. And working as a teacher. P is an unmarried daughter of O and working as a teacher means you can write it separately here. P is a female and P is nothing but a teacher. Okay. Next. S is the brother of Q. Do you know where is S and Q here in this picture of diagram that we are writing for the blood relation tree diagram? Don't know. So you can keep that aside. S is a brother of Q working as a lawyer. That means you can confirm here S is a brother of Q working as a lawyer means who is lawyer here? Lawyer is nothing but S. Okay. Lawyer is nothing but S. So they were telling 2 things about S. S is the brother of Q and also S is the lawyer. S is the brother means S will be a boy. We don't know where is S and Q. Once the position of S or Q is fixed here, we can write out that in this tree diagram. O is the father of an unmarried daughter and 2 sons. O is the father. O is the father means O is becoming a male person. Okay. O is the father of an unmarried daughter. One unmarried daughter, we know it already, and 2 sons means here there is a place for 2 sons. Okay. 2 sons are there. So we don't know who are the 2 sons. Okay. Next, O is the father of an unmarried daughter and 2 sons working as a farmer. Working as a farmer means who is farmer? O is farmer. They have continued the statement about O and said that they are farm, like O is farmer. Next, P is one of the brother is a doctor. P is one of the brother is a doctor. Okay. So we know that only 5 people are there. Okay. Who are the 5 people? P, S, O, Q, and R, right? So 1 second. P, S, O, Q, and R. Okay. Done. So P is one of the brother is a doctor. P is one of the brother is a doctor means so we don't know who is the brother of P exactly here this point of time, but we can say here P is one of the brother is a doctor means one person will be doctor among between Q and R here. Okay. So who is the doctor? So exactly who is the doctor means to represent we have to place the remaining positions also. S is the brother of Q. They said that S is the brother of Q here, right? So only 5 persons are there and they said S is the brother of Q means one brother is nothing but S and the other brother is nothing but Q. Okay. So one brother is S and other brother is Q. Now connect that clue with respect to the last line. P is one of the brother is a doctor. Okay. So now P is one of the brother is a doctor means who will be doctor? Q will be doctor. Okay. And what is the other profession? Other profession is nothing but engineer. So other profession will be given for engineer R. Okay. And we know already only 3 children are there in the family. One unmarried daughter and 2 sons. That means where will be R coming? R will be coming here. And now the blood relation is completed with their respective positions and then their respective places of this family tree diagram. What is the question that they're asking? Who is the doctor in the family? Doctor in the family is nothing but Q. Q is not there here in the answer options. That means what is the answer for the question? None is the answer. This is a simple puzzle questions based on blood relations and then the terminology of professions that they are doing. So each and every line, if we are connecting, we can draw the family tree diagram, and then we can fill the professions in which they are allocated individually at a time to solve for the question. Doctor in the family is nothing but Q. As Q is not there in the answer options here, we can mark the answer as option D, none.